All right, this is kindergarten math lesson, and we're in chapter 2. This is lesson number 5. So we're going to focus today on the number 10, and let's watch a video first. Okay, now once in a while we have a song, and here is a song called the Number Song.
One, two.
Okay, today's lesson is called Number 10. Our essential question is, what do numbers tell me? Okay, your page looks just like mine. We are going to count the red and yellow leaves and say how many, and then we're going to use some blocks, red and yellow, 5 red and 5 yellow, to place one tile on for each leaf, matching the color. Fill in the 10 frame with the tiles to show the leaves. Color the boxes to show how many. All right, so let's get out our e-tools. We've got yellow and red today. All right, so we're going to count our leaves. Now, unfortunately, I can't see all the leaves on here unless I make my page just a little bit bigger. So there, I think I can get all the leaves in now. All right, so starting here in the corner, we're going to go from left to right. So left, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to go ahead and cover 1, 2, 2, 3, having a hard time grabbing them. All right, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count the yellow ones. We'll start here and we'll go around the whole frame and count all the yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put 5 yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Okay. And then it wants you to fill it in the 10 frame with your color crayon, so you can use red on top and yellow below. Fill all of those in and you should have the number 10. This is called a 10 frame, and when all of them are filled in, you know you have 10. Well, our theme looks to be sports today, and so these are soccer balls, and we have 10 soccer balls, and they're using two different colors, red and yellow, to show how many is 10. So let's go to number 2. Okay, so it says to count the objects, say how many, and use red tiles to show 5 objects. And counted. Color 1 box red for each red tile. Use yellow tiles to show the other objects counted. Color 1 box yellow for each yellow tile. So let's count our hockey sticks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are going to use our tools. And I'm going to, whoops, I did not mean to do that. Let's go back there. We're going to use tools to show how many. So here we go. We're going to use red and yellow. My tools don't seem to be working. Let's see if I can get this to work. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And if you want to go ahead and start coloring these, just go ahead and color the top part red. The top part is worth 5, just like the bottom part is worth 5. And we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. The whole 10 frame is filled in. Wow, that's a lot of footballs. All right, so whenever I have to count a lot of things, I usually put a little writing tool dot on it. So I'm going to go ahead and when we're counting these, I'm going to put a little scratching mark on it so I know I've already counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, once again, we're going to color the top part one color. Whoops, I messed that up again. We're going to color the top part one color and the bottom part another color. So you're going to use your red for the top. So go ahead and color in 5 on top red. And then we'll color 5 on the bottom yellow. Wow, I'm really having a tough time with this screen. It is not working very well for me. All right, well, my screen isn't working, but that's okay. Your screen probably works a whole lot better. All right, for some reason, I'm in some different mode here. Let me see if I can stop this and get out of it. All right, so this is the on your own, and I'm going to let you go ahead and do this since my Screencastify is kind of acting up today. So go ahead, you're going to count the objects, say how many, use red tiles to show 5 objects counted, color 1 box red for each red tile, use yellow tiles to show the other objects counted, color 1 box yellow for each yellow tile. So basically red on top and yellow below. So go ahead and do that for 4, 5, and 6, and then I will go ahead and record. You can pause it and then come back to the end of our chapter. Wow, okay, so here we are in problem solving, and all they want you to do is draw more objects to make a group of 10. So you're going to be filling in the empty boxes with milk cartons, and you don't have to make it look perfect. I'll try my very best, but you know, it's hard with my mouse, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try with a medium line here. All right, so we have to make 10. So we have 2 already. So here's 3, 4, 5, 6, oops, that one got kind of big, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically that shows you that 2 plus 8 equals 10. Okay, really? They want me to make pretzels? All right, so you're supposed to draw 5 more on the bottom to make more pretzels equal 10. I don't even know if I want to even attempt to draw a pretzel, but I guess here goes. All right, so I'm going to get out my writing tool, and I'm going to select that, and then I might even select correct color. Oh, they don't even have that, so I'm going to just do gray, and a medium line. And the way I'm going to make it right now is I'm just going to kind of make the heart shape like this and then curl it over and make another shape. Hey, I didn't do too bad. There's 1, 2. Do you see how I'm doing that? I'm just coming back around. 3. So I make one side a heart almost, and then I come back around. 4. Oops. And 5. There, we are all done with this. We're done with number 10. Great job. Okay, guys. Nice job on your work today.